Welcome to another presentation in the Health Capital Group educational series. Carbohydrates are a primary source of energy for the body. In this presentation, we will explore the different types of carbohydrates, how they are digested and metabolized, their storage and regulation, and their importance in our health and physical performance. Understanding this process helps us to understand how and why PhytoPower B, a best-in-class sugar blocker, is able to positively impact those with type 2 diabetes. We will provide an overview of PhytoPower B at the end of this presentation, so be sure to stick around to the end. We will begin with an introduction to carbohydrates, covering their types, dietary sources, and their essential role in the body. Next, we will delve into the digestion process of carbohydrates, followed by their metabolism, how they are stored and regulated, and finally, their significance for energy production and overall health. Carbohydrates are organic compounds and a crucial macronutrient providing energy. They are categorized into simple and complex carbohydrates, each playing unique roles in our diet and health. Carbohydrates are classified into two main types: simple carbohydrates, which include sugars like glucose and fructose, and complex carbohydrates, which consist of starches and fiber found in whole grains, legumes, and vegetables. Common dietary sources of carbohydrates include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. These foods provide essential nutrients and energy, making them vital parts of a balanced diet. Carbohydrates serve as the body's primary energy source, fueling cellular activities and supporting brain function. They also play a role in digestion and maintaining overall health. The digestion of carbohydrates begins in the mouth and continues in the stomach and small intestine. This process breaks down complex carbohydrates into simpler sugars for absorption. In the mouth, mechanical digestion occurs as food is chewed and mixed with saliva, which contains the enzyme amylase that starts breaking down starches into simpler sugars. After the mouth, food travels to the stomach, where further chemical digestion occurs. In the small intestine, enzymes from the pancreas and the lining of the intestine complete the breakdown of carbohydrates into glucose. Once carbohydrates are broken down into glucose, they are absorbed through the walls of the small intestine into the bloodstream, where they can be transported to cells throughout the body. The metabolism of carbohydrates involves various biochemical processes that convert glucose into energy. The liver plays a key role in regulating blood glucose levels. The liver is vital for maintaining blood glucose levels. Stores glucose as glycogen and releases it into the bloodstream as needed, thereby balancing energy supply with demand. Glycolysis is the first step in glucose metabolism. This occurs in the cytoplasm of our cells. It converts glucose into pyruvate, producing a small amount of ADP, adenosine triphosphate for the more geeky among us, which is the energy currency of the cell. Krebs cycle takes place in the mitochondria and further breaks down pyruvate into carbon dioxide and high-energy carriers. The electron transport chain then uses these carriers to produce large amounts of ADP. Carbohydrates are not only used for immediate energy but are also stored for later use. The storage and regulation of carbohydrates are crucial for energy balance in the body. When glucose levels are high, excess glucose is converted into glycogen through a process called glycogenesis. This stored glycogen can later be converted back into glucose when needed. Glycogen is primarily stored in the liver and muscles. The liver can release glucose into the bloodstream, while muscle glycogen is used directly for energy during physical activity. Insulin and glucagon are hormones that play key roles in carbohydrate regulation. Insulin lowers blood glucose by promoting glucose uptake, while glucagon raises blood glucose by stimulating glycogen breakdown. Carbohydrates are essential for providing energy for daily activities and physical performance. Understanding their role can help in making informed dietary choices for optimal health. Carbohydrates are the preferred energy source for many cellular activities, including brain function and muscle contractions during exercise. They are crucial for maintaining energy levels. For athletes and active individuals, carbohydrates are vital for enhancing physical performance. They provide the necessary fuel for endurance and recovery during and after exercise. Maintaining a balanced carbohydrate intake is essential for health. It is important to choose complex carbohydrates over simple sugars to ensure a steady release of energy and to support overall well-being. Understanding how the body converts carbohydrates into energy is fundamental for making healthy dietary choices. By recognizing the importance of carbohydrates, we can better support our energy needs and overall health. It should be noted that the energy we do not expend as a result of overeating or not exercising, over time is converted into fat. And excess fat in and around the body can lead to obesity and other related issues. This is a significant consideration for those enjoying PhytoPower B. Blocking sugar absorption is the process by which natural ingredients are used to signal the body not to break down starches and carbohydrates. In doing so, the conversion to glucose and higher blood sugar levels does not fully occur. The following is an overview of PhytoPower B. Block the sugar and protect the gut. Nothing disrupts the balance of the gut microbiome more than sugar. Sugar interferes with good bacteria function and population. Sugar feeds bad bacteria that competes with friendly bacteria for food. What happens when bad bacteria takes over your gut microbiome? You get a gut that's out of balance, lacking proper biotic diversity and lacking key beneficial biotic strains. PhytoPower B works naturally with the body's established functions to fight gut microbiome dysbiosis by helping the body to block sugar absorption. Use PhytoPower B every day to block carbs and sugar and pave the way to a healthy, diverse, balanced, and optimally functioning gut microbiome. Find out more about PhytoPower B. Connect with the person who shared this educational series with you and begin your microbiome-friendly, sugar-blocking journey today. Alternatively, visit healthcapital.lovebiome.com to order your sugar-blocking pack today. You can also email us at thehealthcapitalgroup@gmail.com and we will be happy to support your inquiry. Thanks for watching.